Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI Pad 7 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose wherever you want to and tap on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of your XIAOMI and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on XIAOMI, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few though, just for example. Then you need to select Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add, allow camera access and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!